Yes, your trading is fun when you know how. What stage are you? Are you a new trader? Are you an intermediate trader or even an advanced trader? What areas are you struggling with? You can share with us. Let's see how we can help. Okay, so you can see this trade we took. So this trade was taken on lower time frames because we want this trade to complete quicker. There are some trades that take a long time. So if you want guidance, if you want help, if you want support, if you want a community where you can learn and share, we're here to help you. Just DM the admin at InvestorK23. Trading is a lifetime skill. Once you develop the lifetime skill of trading, your job is to be printing consistent profits from the markets. Of course, there will be losses sometimes, but you're going to take more profits than losses. So in the long run, you're going to be consistently successful as a trader and as an individual. So at any time you want our help, at any time you're ready to stop trading, stop struggling with trading, at any time you've had enough of going back and forth, we are here for you. We're here to help you. We're here to help you move to the next level of consistency. Okay? Just send a message to at InvestorK23. Either you want constant trade signals or you want guidance, coaching, or mentorship. We are here to help you. Okay?